Today we're going to be talking about search engine optimization and the 10 best practices to position your business above your competitors. My name is Tyler Louth and I'm the CEO of Marketing Essentials. I have been working in marketing for the last 15 years with a foundation background in UX, UI, web design, and web development. So a little bit about me before we get started here. Here at Marketing Essentials, we were founded by our founder and my partner, Patty Cisco, 15 years ago. We've experienced an average of 15% growth year over year. We have 33 in-house marketing and sales experts. We serve B2B and B2C small to mid-sized companies nationwide. We have a strategy first, tactic second methodology. We're also data-driven and follow what we call the agile methodology. We also partner with WP Engine, Google, Facebook, and our Platinum HubSpot partners that have over 35 HubSpot certifications. We have a work hard, play hard atmosphere, and we also are digital nerds. So some of the capabilities, we're a full service marketing and sales agency. So we do most of the whole gamut of marketing tactics here, from web design and development to SEM, which is PPC, SEO, branding and design, video marketing, recruitment marketing, e-commerce, virtual selling, traditional marketing, and content marketing, just to name a few. Again, our methodology is we attract people. We turn people that come to your website from visitors to leads into customers, and all of the things that incorporate those types of strategies are mentioned around here. Again, those tactical work, whether it be content, marketing, SEO, on page, off page, SEM, direct mail, Facebook ads, website, email marketing, and so on and so on. So let's go ahead and get started here. So the first tip here on SEO best practices is create helpful content for your audience, not just for your traffic. So again, experience, expertise, authority, and trust. We want to focus on the quality, not the quantity of the content of the website. So again, things that are going to provide your user value that answer specific pain points that are not necessarily branded to sell your company's service. So first we want to educate and then sell second. So again, with that, it's creating content that is going to answer those pain points and is going to answer the questions that they're asking the search engines. Know your audience and your personas too. So structure that and structure your content on how they are speaking and how they are searching. Use SEO automation tools and AI. So again, number 2 here, keyword research tools allow you to see the volume and quantity and the difficulty in targeted keywords. There's a ton of tools out there that allow you to show what your competitors are ranking for, what you could be ranking for, and the keywords that you are ranking for currently. So with that, you can then see the priority of those, the low-hanging fruit, how hard it's going to be to rank for those keywords, and then put a real keyword strategy in place to attack those keywords online to absorb some of that traffic. You can leverage AI tools such as ChatGPT to create content outlines and ideas. Again, just rely on these tools just to create the ideas, not the actual content for you. Number 3, optimize your website to be fast loading and high performing. This may be one of the biggest ranking factors for search engine optimization. Google and the other web browsers really put speed at the forefront of their ranking factors. So again, if you have a website that is completely bogged down or it takes a long time to load, Google's not going to serve you as high as in their search results as your competitor who has a faster, leaner site. So start auditing your website regularly. Use website graders. Again, Google Page Insights here from the screenshot example is a great tool where you can put your domain in and it shows you, first paint on the website, how long it took to deliver that first paint, that speed index. It also tells you some further down when you dive in a little bit. It will tell you again, what's causing the most load for your browser to render your website. So maybe you have images that could be further optimized. Maybe you have a video that you're hosting on your server instead of off-sourcing at through YouTube or Vimeo that's causing a large network payloads that's slowing your site down. So all of these things are really great to look at and continue to monitor your tool. And again, when you're using these tools, they are free. They are taken in a moment in time. So it's best to run these tools multiple times to see if there's any differences in the results that you get. But most of the time, they're pretty accurate. Number 4, identify your competitors' MVPs. So what are your competitors' most valuable pages, right? So what are they ranking the highest for? What's driving the most traffic to their website? Is this something that you can use as an example, or use those keywords that they're driving to these pages to be able to obtain some of that traffic? So again, let's identify your competitors. There are 3 to 4 pages that are really performing the most organically. See what's working for them, and then we can map and mirror those same experiences. 5, use video. Video, and more video. Again, when you use video correctly on your website, it does allow for a lot of search engine optimization, or things that Google is going to put you above the competition on. Again, Google does own YouTube, so if you have a YouTube channel that is being streamed on your website, again, that is going to have SEO equity to your website. Again, it's using, when you're structuring that video, it's making sure that you're structuring it correctly, right? So using structured data, again, saying what's about the video. Create a video sitemap, so allowing the search engines to very easily for your website to tell the search engines where the videos are located on your website. And you can see, if video is done correctly, you can even be served in the search engine results with a video snippet there that users tend to click on more because they want to absorb video content. Utilize a keyword map. So this is extremely important, right? And this is one of the most common SEO mistakes that we see, that sites are targeting the same keywords throughout multiple pages on their website. What this does is confuses the search engine crawlers that are crawling your website to say, if you have page A right here that's ranking for bicycle repair, and you have page B that's trying to rank for bicycle repair, well, now you're competing against your pages. So what we would suggest you doing, what is recommended doing, is focusing on one set of keywords, or one type of keywords for each page, and then breaking that content apart. So creating keyword clusters and maps to target each individual page, so each page is targeting its own set of keywords, are super important, because one, it builds strong equity around multiple sets of keywords, short keywords and long-tailed keywords, and it clearly defines to the search engine bots that are crawling your website on what they need to be ranking each page for, what that content is relevant for, that answers those pain points the users are searching. The other thing is, don't be afraid to link to other websites. So now, if it is the right website, I will say that with some caution. You just don't want to go and create a page that has a million links that are linking to things that are not relevant to what you're speaking about. But again, linking to other authoritative websites, that it's a strong signal to Google that, hey, we're collaborating within the web. We're referring to other source leaders, or content that is relevant to answering our users' pain points. Again, you don't want to go and create all of these backlinks or links that are not relevant to your content. But if you find other reputable sources that cite information that is important to your users, then it's definitely suggested that you backlink to those websites and again, give them credit for content that you're maybe displaying on your website. So crafting your title tags within your keywords for clicks, this is super important as well, right? So it has been a long debated factor, and through click-through rate is a ranking factor. Well, some of this is, right? So again, if you can see over here on the right side, some of the title tags, right, that you're seeing which is in the blue there, which would be the digital marketing and sales resources, right? Those are the things that people are going to look at. Same thing with the meta description, right? So you want to have compelling meta description, which is telling the user what the page is about. So what that does obviously is entices that user to click on your link compared to some of the other links. So next time you're doing some searching, take a look at the 3 top pages that are displaying, and think about why you're clicking on which one, right? Does it have that enticing that title tag that has your keywords that you're searching for in it? Is it positioning that in a creative way that will want you to click on that link compared to the others? Another huge one here, number 9, is using structured data. So structured data schema markup is actually on the back end. So this is, again, not necessarily what the individual sees, but this is what the search engine robots see when they're crawling the page. Some examples of some structured data would be to pulling in FAQs into that structured data. So again, it's answering those common pain points that someone's having searching for your products or services, reviews, job posting, products, hours of operation, the types of business that you're in. All of those things can be structured in the code on the back end of each page that tells the search engines very quickly what the page is about, what it's ranking for, who you are, how they can contact you. So this is super important for positioning yourself in the search engine result pages as well. Number 10, create a comparison page. So another benefit here of this is it's putting you up against your competitor, right? You're going head to head with their products and services. And this is a good way for people that are looking for non-biased information to really stack up your offerings to what they're looking for. So again, if you're, the lead bike repair shop in Cincinnati, Ohio, and you have a competitor that is also there in your same region, well, why are you? What is the benefits? What are the pros and cons of going to you for repairs versus your competitors? So really laying that out in a non-biased, non-sales copy way that really talks about the experience and why which service is better is very huge here for search engines, because that's content that they're going to serve. Again, it's not sales copy, but it is giving them a comparison of other services that are like yours and why yours is the one to choose. So it gives you some control over the online discussion also around your company and the competition, and you're not letting third-party resources then dictate this as well, where you do not necessarily know where their motivations are. So thank you for joining me for this quick SEO top 10 tips, SEO tricks for this year. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Marketing Essentials, and we'll be sure to answer them. Thank you.